Xia Healing Sanctuary, a space for healing, harmony, and inner balance. Xia Healing Sanctuary is a center and community founded by teacher Xia, created with the mission of bringing healing, harmony, and inner balance. Through the application of cosmic energy, guided meditation, and life wisdom. In human experience, energy directly influences our emotions, thoughts, and overall quality of life. At its core, energy exists in two primary forms: positive energy and negative energy. Therefore, improving mental well-being and inner balance is a process of clearing negative energy and elevating positive energy. Meditation aligned with each individual's energy foundation. Teacher Xia possesses a unique ability to perceive, channel, and harmonize various forms of energy within the universe. Through her guided meditation practices, individuals are able to clear negative energy, rebalance the body, mind, and spirit, elevate mental clarity and inner awareness. The experiences designed by teacher Xia are accessible and inclusive, suitable for beginners with no prior meditation experience, young people facing academic, career, or life pressures, an international community seeking a modern, open-minded approach to meditation and energy work, an open community beyond age or nationality. Xia Healing Sanctuary warmly welcomes young individuals seeking balance and inner direction, families, adults, and seniors, an international community interested in meditation, healing, and energetic connection. This is not merely a center, but a community that learns to live in greater harmony with oneself and the world.